Hello smart people! Welcome to this chic and stylish villa in Berawa. And today, let me guide you through this lovely investment.
Introducing our stunning 2-bedroom villas. These villas are built on a spacious 100 square meters of land, providing comfortable room for relaxation and leisure.
Strategically located only 10 minutes to the Furnished Beach Club and numerous attractions, this villa offers you an incredible business opportunity for those who are seeking a Mediterranean villa lifestyle. Spread over 2 thoughtfully designed levels, the first floor you will find a living, dining, and fully equipped kitchen with an open space where you can open the sliding doors to just entertain yourself.
Moving to the second floor, you will find the cozy bedrooms, providing you with a private sanctuary rest and rejuvenate. Each villa boasts modern design elements that perfectly blend comfort and style.
I know some of you start to wonder what are the kitchen equipment that the villa has to offer. So when you bought this villa, you will get the coffee machine, a mini stove, oven, a kettle, and the most interesting part is the multifunctional sink that you can do like this, and I'm sure you're gonna like it. But that's not all, because you can also get a hidden fridge and also water dispenser.
On a land size of 100 square meters, these villas boast a built area of 90 square meters, providing you generous living spaces. With 2 levels, 2 bedrooms, and 2 bathrooms, these villas are designed to cater to your modern lifestyle.
Speaking of the property specifics, this unique villa is offering you 25 years leasehold property with an IMB building permits, so it will give you peace of mind. You don't need to worry. Smart people, each villa has its own private pool. It's a 6-on-2 swimming pool with a garden area. As you can see me here, it's so chill and I love the atmosphere. Smart people, if you feel like this could be your future home or investment, contact me via property right now. We'll see you on the next one. Bye bye!